Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate appointment scheduling with Calendly detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button. You can sign up using your email or a connected Google or Microsoft account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Calendly dashboard. To create a new event type, click on the Event Types section. Next, choose the type of event you wish to create, such as one-on-one, group, or collective events. Select the duration for your appointment. Now, give your event a descriptive name. In the location settings, choose how you want to connect, whether by phone or video conferencing. Next, set your availability by specifying the days and times you are free for meetings. You can customize this availability for each specific event type. Once you've set your availability, you can define additional options like buffer times between appointments. If you want to collect information from invitees, enable the Invitee Questions section. Here, you can add custom questions or fields for invitees to fill out when booking. Once your event type is set, click on the Save and Close button. Now, you'll see your newly created event on the dashboard. To share your scheduling link, click on the event type and copy the link provided. You can also integrate Calendly with your calendar to automatically update your availability. Consider connecting with Google Calendar, Outlook, or other services for seamless integration. If you want to integrate Calendly with other tools, head to the Integrations section in the settings. You can explore various options like Zoom, Salesforce, or payment processors if needed. Finally, share your Calendly link with your clients or colleagues via email or other platforms. This will allow them to choose a time that works best for them based on your availability. With these steps, you can now automate your appointment scheduling with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.